Do you want to discover permanent peace, happiness, love, wisdom within you? Do you want this peace, happiness, love, wisdom, creativity to manifest through your thought, speech, and action so that you can excel in your personal, professional, social, and family life? Do you want to bring an end to the suffering once and for all? Do you want to know how to relax deeply, live in the state of the calm, peace, and the joy in the midst of challenging conditions, and continue to excel in your life? You need to spend only 60 minutes with the Eastern wisdom. The guide and the mentor from the Eastern wisdom helps you to discover your real self by learning the principles of Eastern wisdom, which is a doubt free knowledge about who we are, about the world, and the supreme consciousness. It offers personalized practices every time you meet, depending on the nature, the state of your mind, and depending on your challenges that you are facing in your life. And that's why this coaching, this mentorship becomes all absorbing, all connecting to your family, personal, professional, and social life. It brings an end to the suffering. Not only it manages your physical, mental, and emotional challenges, but you move from the emotional bondage, emotional dependence to the emotional freedom. Inner creativity, wisdom, and the peace helps you to succeed at every step in your life. Join the Eastern Wisdom Coaching and Mentoring Program and make your entire life a celebration.